And so there's one thing that I wanted to add to that is that you have to be also bold. You know, feeling with gratitude will make you smile, but the second thing is you have to be bold means if you have, as you said, a purpose, because the purpose will make you move forward, and you have to be bold. Don't be ready. Don't wait until you're ready, because you'll never be ready. So just move. That's how I've done. I just thought, oh my God, if I was doing this, it would be great. And then something happens because you did the gratitude, and then boom, you do it, and your life is going to change. As a leader,
Thank you.